You look tired.
I detect severely depleted energy levels. May I recommend a nap?
I absolutely would love a nap.
Why are you so exhausted?
It's those trolls.
Why am I not surprised? Ugh, you'd better show me what they've been up to now.
Hop to it, Mayor Garth. It's your go again.
Can we stop? Sometime soon.
Yay!
I don't believe it.
Hey, Alva. So good to see you. Don't tell me you've changed your hair. Hey, Mo, pretty as ever.
The trolls. They're being nice?
Oh, yay! Hey, wanna come and dance?
I guess so.
Dancing is fun! I hate dancing!
Okay.
Well, shall we?
I had no idea you liked dancing.
Neither did I, until today. Okay, so my turn first.
Whew, you're good at this. I'm not sure I'll be able to keep up. Wow!
Yay!
Mayor Garth!
Oh,
Are you okay?
I'm not sure how much more hopping I can take.
Just why are the trolls so happy?
They're not. They have troll flu.
Troll flu?
Isn't this fun? Hop till you drop, Uli.
Ah, found it. Troll flu is a nasty bug that makes trolls act odd. Each year, they must eat blackberries to prevent it.
I wonder. Hey, Skater!
Hey,
Have you trolls taken your blackberries this year?
blackberries taste like feet. Moo, do you think I should eat some?
Yeah. Happy, sad, and everything in between. No wonder the Ulis are exhausted.
The Blobbos and Ulis will run out of energy if we don't help them.
Mo, I've got an idea, but I'm going to need the Blobbos' help.
Oh, cozy. Thank you, Blobbos. Bed's too soft. Trolls like to sleep on hard rocks.
I like napping. But I don't want to sleep.
Be good little patients for me and the Ulis, okay? And get your rest.
Okay. No way.
Oh my! This sure is a pretty bad case of troll flu.
I want to play hop chase now. Hop chase. Whoa. 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 Whoa.
We need to get them blackberries, now!
No, eat plebs. No plebs. No plebs. No plebs. No plebs.
Isn't there anything we can give them?
Maybe gripeweed gruel might help calm them down.
Did you say grapeweed gruel?
Gripeweed gruel. 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 Gripeweed gruel.
Mo, can you stay here with Uli Pom and Uli Bean?
Gripeweed gruel. Gripeweed gruel.
Let's get the gruel.
Gripeweed gruel.
I've got an idea.
One pot of gripeweed gruel coming up.
And some nice blackberries.
Ugh, I don't know what smells worse, the gruel or the berries.
I really do think you should be lying down.
Please, Skater, calm down.
Great weed grow!
Oh, what a treat!
But first you have to take your blackberries.
Boo! No plap! No plap! No plap! No plap! No
No plap, no gruel.
No plap! Okay, but just this once.
And this gruel had better be good.
What a treat!
Lovely.
Hey, what are y'all doing being so nice to us?
It's just not right.
You just had to take your blackberries. That's all.
Blah! You tricked us!
Incorrect. You took your medicine in return for a treat.
Whoever's fault it is, I don't like it. Let's go.
A happy gizmo is an unhappy troll.
They seem cured. What a relief.
Oh, gosh.
Now that looks like a good idea.
You deserve a rest, Mayor Garth.
Thanks for all the help, Alva.
Okay, Mo, time to go.